Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about a home essential that adds comfort, personality, and instant style: home curtains. Whether you're redecorating or moving into a new space, choosing the right curtains can truly transform your home. Let's take a closer look. Why curtains matter in home decor. You'd be surprised how much curtains impact a room. Here's why: they're more than just window dressing. Style and personality. Curtains tie your room together, adding color, texture, and a finished look. Light control. From soft sheers to blackout panels, curtains help set the perfect mood and lighting. Privacy and comfort. They give you control over visibility and help create a more intimate space. Noise reduction. Heavier fabrics even help minimize outside noise for a peaceful home. Curtain styles for every room. Let's explore some popular curtain types and where they work best in your home. Sheer curtains. Perfect for living areas. Let in soft light while maintaining a light, airy feel. Blackout curtains. Ideal for bedrooms or nurseries. Block light for better sleep, privacy. Café curtains. Great for kitchens. Charming and functional without covering the window. How to choose the right curtains. Not sure where to start? Here are a few tips. Measure first. Know your window size and ceiling height to get the perfect fit. Match your theme. Choose fabrics and colors that complement your furniture and wall colors. Don't forget hardware. The right rods and hooks add that finishing touch. From cozy corners to dramatic living spaces, the right home curtains can make all the difference. Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell for more home decor ideas. See you in the next video.